So I'm Fiona Fraser. I work at SRUC in Aberdeen, and my presentation tonight was about soil biology and how it's integral to soil health and nutrient management. For managing your soil biology, remember that soil biology is everywhere. It's really, really diverse and often very abundant. So you can have a look at your soil biology on the larger side of soil biology by having a look at the worms in your soil, maybe making a pitfall trap and seeing what kind of beetles you've got, maybe some slugs, things like that. For the smaller soil biology, that's much harder to look at. But if you want to test to see how active your soil biology is, then you can do things like bury cotton or put lollipop sticks in the ground and then go back in a few weeks or a couple of months, pick them out again and see how much they've degraded, and that will tell you how active the biology is in your soil. What I was focusing a lot on tonight is how it might be possible to increase the carbon storage in soil by increasing the size of the microbial population, and what farmers can do, what they can feed to their below ground livestock to increase the population size. So the primary challenge is size, really. If you want a really, really accurate measure of your soil biology, you'll be able to find lots of companies that will want to get you to pay to do DNA tests, but then the challenge with that is the interpretation of that data. What does it mean? Just because the microbes are there doesn't mean they're active. So really, if you want to make sure you've got a nice healthy microbial biomass, try and make sure that your soil is well supplied with organic matter. It's maybe disturbed less. So if you can reduce your tillage or do minimum tillage or leave grass lays in the park for longer, that will help to build the soil biology and it will make it active. So soil biology is integral to all functions that happen in soil. So any turnover of organic matter leading to a nutrient release or nutrient storage is almost entirely driven by biology. There's a little bit of chemistry, but biology is the primary gatekeeper. So you should have improved nutrition and nutrient availability with the right kind of biology and the right levels of activity. You should also have improved soil structure because the aggregation should be better and the connectedness of the pore spaces should be better, so the water will infiltrate and it will be held in the profile ready for plants to use during dry periods. So SRUC and FAS produce technical notes, so there's a soil biology technical note. We also publish advisory notes, so there is an advisory note to go with this session which will be made available on the FAS website.